Let's shift our focus. We'll bring you this investigation that was carried out by CNN News 18 as well. In the wake of this Goa pub tragedy, CNN News 18 had carried out ground investigation into fire safety across India's nightlife hubs. Our reporters found shocking lapses at major party destinations in Delhi and Bengaluru, where fire exits are blocked, safety equipment missing, licenses flouted. Take a look at this.
Barchbai Romeo Lane was a perfect recipe for disaster. In Goa's Arpora, what we witnessed on 6th December was actually the catastrophe that is in making in many places in the national capital as well. In the narrowest lane situated in the Hoskas village of the national capital.
Very narrow lanes, whatnot. So people would get stuck here. It would cause a stampede as well.
First of all, we're in central Delhi. Wires are hanging and everything.
I think it's definitely not safe, and to see it happen in Hoskas as well as Goa without there being much of a difference.
It has happened once, and I'm not saying it should happen, but it can happen if regulatory bodies don't regulate this protocol.
How unorganized, unregulated the fire safety checks and the closed corridors for making any fire evacuation or safety protocol plan ready for many restaurants and many hotels here, in fact including the shops, look like. Even on the cobweb of these wires in the narrow lanes, we have many buildings situated next to each other, barely leaving any space for a group of people, or even more than 20 people could be leaving from this point. As you can see, there is this cafe as well, this quirky store present to attract many of the youngsters that are very happy to be present here, even at the time of holiday as well. But this is that point in the narrow lane of the Hoskas village, which is most preferred destination for the holiday time for the youngsters, where we see that to my right, if we point out at any exit or evacuation plan, this is the narrow lane. Just to my right, if God forbid any fire tragedy that takes place here, these are the lines and the wires that are stuck with each other in a building that is just less than a meter away from each other.
Since the time this news has came, there's something in our mind like, okay, we should be together all the time, so that something happens, we should just run away, or we should be check out restaurants which are on the safer side, nearer to the main road, so that we can rush out if something happens.
What happened in Goa was because of the firecracker situation. So they do those animatronics in the restaurant itself, which is why the fire started, and it's because all of those wires were together and whatnot. I believe that if there are such situations, there should be safety protocols in place. If it's a place like this, for example, what you targeted, this area with those wires and everything, then it would be really difficult for someone to escape from here. Very narrow lanes, whatnot. So people would get stuck here. It would cause a stampede as well, all of these problems. So I'd rather say that it would be better for them to put in any safety protocols or measures. If something like this happens, should I really be going out partying at night, and then something like this happens, would it really be safe for if I'm going out with my family or relatives or whatever it is?
There is a very shocking data that has come forward by the Delhi Fire Services in the national capital. Now pointing out at the figures that out of the 50,000 restaurants and 1,000 nightclubs in the national capital, only 52 restaurants and 38 nightclubs have a fire safety certificate. What does this signal to? In Hoskas village, where we see a host of nightclubs now making the way for the big bustling and busy happening holiday season, this is a situation of these areas which lack the fire safety protocols, no evacuation passages.
There's a huge security and an infrastructure lapse because in a public space this is happening. This is not right. And first of all, we're in central Delhi. wires are hanging and everything. I don't think this is a good, place.
It's definitely not safe for them to function without any proper licensing.
The nightclubs and restaurants across the country stand on a knife's edge with no separate exits and lacking fire safety norms and certificate, with even silent alarms. This is a cause of concern for many nightclubs and restaurant owners, which invite people ahead of the busy winter and New Year season, which is going to see thousands of the visitors coming to enjoy the evenings during the festive season as well. The cause of concern is also lying largely at the data that is presented before us, as the Delhi Fire Services data note that across the national capital, there are 50,000 of restaurants and 1,000 nightclubs largely, out of which only 52 restaurants and 38 nightclubs pass the fire safety norms. What does this signal to? That is a cause of concern and a matter for a larger scrutiny across the restaurant bodies and the government along with the officials. This is Simran with video journalist Rahul for CNN News 18.